Sawadee Cup! It's PJ in Pattaya! Happy Thai New Year! This is Second Road up near Soi Six. That's the private road down to the Hard Rock Cafe just there. Let's go take a look because it's Songkran Day in Thailand. That's the Centric Sea Condo. Yesterday I called it the base, I don't know why. But the traffic's busy today, it's a holiday. It's Wednesday, the 13th of April, 2022. No water throwing allowed, but let's go have a look. Apparently in Phuket they were throwing water, but they're all in a bit of trouble. Look at the old bars along there, all closed off, boarded up. Today, hot as hell, was set 32 on the temperature, and it said feels like 38, felt like about 40. It's like a sauna. There's the new hotel. I don't think that's quite finished yet. Let's go down Soi Six and take a squeeze. Let's hope we don't get wet. I've got all these bars. Lots of girls coming back now. Lots of tourists coming back. I know some say, no, it's still quiet. And it is in parts quiet, but then other parts are busy. I was in Tree Town last night. It was busy. Of course, the bars are still under the rules of 11 o'clock. It's the Queen Vic. Look at this little busy section. Nearly got a traffic jam down here. The back alley, through there. Spider girl, oh there, look, water, water. Sawadee Cup! Ah, see, I'm getting wet. Ah! Look at that, how cool is that? That's good fun. Happy Songkran! Look at this! Ah, I'm getting wet! Whoa! That's cool! Wow! Hey! 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 Wow! I hope the camera doesn't get wet, guys! Wow! Baby cool bar. Hey, one of these bars is for sale down here. So I'll have a look in a sec. Oh, lots of water down here. 6 o'clock too, nearly. The lights will come on. I'm gonna get wet down here, guys. Woo! Welcome to Thailand. We're back. Wow, getting wet there. My shirt's wet. Hope the camera's not wet. Happy Songkran! Ah! Ah! Happy New Year! Wow! Wow! How good's that? Oh, it's still squirting me. What? And Beach Road is packed down here. It's going to be a traffic jam. Get past this four-wheel drive. Man, I got wet. I don't even have my phone in the plastic bag. How cool's that? This end of Soi Six looking pretty quiet. Halifax bar. And look at this, the sun's going down. Beach Road is back. Hey, look at this, the Thai dancing. How cool is that? Woo! Welcome to Soi Six. Cool. All right, let's take a look down here. Look at the traffic, guys. Let's have a look at the beach. Man, that was cool. They got wet. know, first Songkran in a couple of years. Let's have a look over here. Beach looks busy. Look at that. Holiday weekend, 3-day holiday for Thais, New Year. Quite a few people down that end. Of course, it's probably 70%, 80% Thais, all from Bangkok or around here. There's North Pattaya, busy up there. Good family area up there. How good is this? Songkran is back. Thai dancing over there. Cool. Look at the traffic though. Have a few police checkpoints around, so don't drink and drive anybody. See these big pumps here? They're for heavy rain to get the water over the beach. See? Right, let's see if we can get out of here. Give you a little look along here, the traffic. Cafes are busy. Love Toscana there, Italian restaurant. That's a good thing there. Look at this. Cool. They closed off Pattaya Klang towards the beach because the street was getting too busy. Yes, gotta be careful, Pijo. Coming through. Keep the show rolling. Hard Rock Cafe, they got a party going on, I think. See there, they got the band going. DJ. Cool. The BART buses are full. And now when the tourists are back, the BART buses start coming back, filling up. And there's the beach house. Beach house, it's great in there. Swimming pool, lovely spot. But this is Pijo, not queuing up with the traffic. And these little spots just here, they're great here, and that's quiet there. That's probably the best spot here for the view. Look at that. Alright guys, stay safe. Just a quick update from Songkran Pijo. Take care everybody. Over and out. Uru.